If your WhatsApp notification sound is not working on Android, here is how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your phone is not on silent or do not disturb mode. Next, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then Notifications. Make sure the notification tone is set. If it says none, tap it and choose a tone you like. Also check that message and group notifications are turned on with sound selected for both. Now go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps depending on your phone model. Then find WhatsApp from the list. Tap on it, tap on notifications, and ensure all notification categories are allowed. Enable sound for each category like message alerts and group messages. If it's still not working, go back to the app info, find storage, then tap on clear cache. Lastly, check for any pending system or app updates. Go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, then tap update if available. That's how you fix WhatsApp notification sound is not working issue on Android. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fixes.